How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up the Facebook application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Now again tap on the option Settings. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the Access and Control option, which is right over here. Simply tap on it and then it will take you to this page where it will basically provide you only one option, that is deactivation and deletion. So simply tap on it and now it will provide you two options. You can either deactivate your Facebook account or you can delete your Facebook account. So since we are here to deactivate our account, we'll tap on the option Continue to Account Deactivation. After that, you'll be taken to this page where if you have an Oculus account linked to your Facebook account, that will be deactivated as well. So tap on the option Continue to Account Deactivation. And now in order to deactivate your Facebook account, all you have to do is enter your password over here, and once you tap on the option Continue, you'll have successfully deactivated your Facebook account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.